6:02 now, and new this morning out of Farmington Hills, a woman there is dead after getting hit by a car. This happened while crossing at 12 Mile and Haggerty. Leading up to her death, though, she and another man were driving a vehicle when they rear-ended another car. The man in that other car was injured, but the woman decided to get out of their car and run across the street from the scene, which is when she was hit. Police are investigating this incident. This is a story that took off on our website, clickondetroit.com.
Yes, it's a moment in a Detroit courtroom that's been watched by millions of people on our website. During this sentencing of a woman responsible for a deadly drunk driving crash, a judge lashes out at some of her family members for laughing. Let's get to Priya Mann. She's live with a video that has everybody talking.
Rhonda Everett, the judge was absolutely disgusted by the reaction of some of the defendant's family members as a victim impact statement was being read, and the judge did not hold back as one woman was hauled to jail.
This is a court of law. You cannot come down to the Frank Murphy Hall of Justice and act any way you want to act.
An emotional sentencing hearing was stopped by Judge Kiana Lillard after she felt people in the back row were out of line.
Whoever can sit here at a tragic moment like this and laugh and smile when somebody has lost a family member.
Amanda Kozel admitted to driving drunk last June and causing a crash that killed Jerome Zerker. Zerker's sister was reading a statement from his children.
Amanda, look what you did to my life. You ruined everything I had, like my dad's life.
Kozel cried in court as the impact statements were read, but Judge Lillard noticed how her family reacted.
You can go too, because if you don't know how to act, you can go to jail.
But as soon as the woman left, the judge ordered her to come back.
This is a court of law, and these are very serious matters, and I understand you all are upset because your loved one is going to prison, but guess what? She's going to prison for the choices that she made.
The woman, identified as Donna Kozel, then talks back to the judge, but Judge Lillard has the final say.
Ma'am, you are being taken into custody for criminal contempt, and you, ma'am, are going to the Wayne County Jail for 93 days for direct criminal contempt. Anybody else want to go? Try it.
And Amanda Kozel will spend 3 to 15 years in prison. She was only 25 years old at the time of the crash. Her family member, Donna Kozel, expected to be back before a judge this morning at around 9 o'clock. Local 4 cameras will be there. We'll continue to bring you updates on this developing story. Reporting live, I'm Priya Mann, Local 4.
And Priya, also update us on how the victim's fiance is doing. We know that he was in that vehicle at the time of the deadly crash.
Yeah, so he was killed, and his fiance, now a single mother of 5 kids, and she tells Local 4 that those 5 kids would have been with her fiance when he was coming to pick her up from work. That morning, they were at their grandmother's home. She says that it's a miracle they weren't in the vehicle at that time. This crash could have been a lot worse, but she's now a single mom of 5 children.
Wow.
Our hearts certainly go out
So
to the
sad.
family.